back at Deep Lake. Brought the fisherman right there, the fisher person.
Look how far that casts.
Yeah, it's beautiful now. Wait, set up. Today, there's no real life test of this new model, so we're going to try this little portable fish finder. For 3 seconds and turn it on. It says colorful, start up. Just don't touch anything for 5 seconds, I think it said. And now we're good to go. And there's fish right below us. Lots of fish. Holy cow. Even look at this. They're all at the bottom, 9 feet down.
Oh, geez.
At 10 feet, and there's tons of them.
Just drop my line below.
Yep. Yep, just jig it back up and down. Yeah, they're just sitting right there, right in the bottom. How
So
cool is
those
that?
things are fish?
Those are fish. That's
oh
the bottom.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. Something like that. Oh, let him fight. Nice, Amy. Let him fight. Nice, pretty. He's like what we've been catching. Don't, yeah, kind of let him just play out. Good hook job. Yeah. Just when you want to switch baits. Okay. That a baby? Bass number 2, unassisted.
But I have to learn how to take them off.
Here. Okay. Okay. And let him go. Oh, I just got one on the Whopper Plopper, not on film. And my first cast caught one. Then on my, fourth cast got one. And I looked away. I looked away. The bite is on, Amy.
Only one-handed.
Double duties. And this one thing that I looked away.
I know.
Was that. There you go. Got one? Is that a baby? So the morning dove, chartreuse tail. Yeah. I don't know. All right, that was second cast. Another one. Got him again. Oh yeah, he's bigger. This is outrageous, guys. Whopper Plopper, 2 casts in a row. Top water action, who cares, right? Yeah. Oh, I turned the camera off too soon and took the hook off. Went right in my crotch. Oh man, that's no good. Oh, got one. Oh, a little guy, but that's.
On the...
Yep.
Wow, you're having good luck with that one.
And he's kind of mishooked me. There we go. All right, Amy, here, you try. This is too much fun. Here, I'll switch you. I should have brought more of these. I was going to bring more. I forgot. So just cast and just start reeling kind of slow. That's it. They're just taking it after like the 3rd crank.
Good.
No, I did not realize that.
He was trying to get a picture.
How'd that feel? Your first one, top
awesome.
water. That was cool to see. And I didn't get it the moment you caught it on, but
I'm starting to get the hang of it.
yeah, that looks that's a good retrieve right there. There. Got him? Oh, you missed. Dig it. Okay, it's okay. It might come back. I need to catch another one of these guys. Oh, that was weird. Oh, there. That was awesome.
Do you have a video?
That's probably the one we just let go. Actually, a little bit. Whoa. They got some fight to them, right?
Yeah.
Come on the boat. Oh, he's hooked under.
There you go. That's a weird place for you to...
Oh, he's like teeny. There we go. Not the most finesse way to get it back, but Whopper Plopper. All right, that was fish number 8 or 9. I remember quit doing that. Bad habit. That last one just hit the water and it took it. I mean, I didn't even have a chance to. There we go. That's how you should do it. And just really aggressive right now. This is fun. They are. It's a beautiful night. It's like 77 degrees, my perfect temperature. On a Whopper Plopper monkey butt, number 90, I believe. Courtesy of YouTube Fish and Vids. Thank you very much for turning me onto this lure. That splash. But tell you what, the fish don't mind. I mean, I got 2 fish right and hit the water. See, right there. Oh, I got him mishooked.
Is he on?
Yeah. He's like on his belly.
Ooh.
Sorry, buddy. With the mouth and the belly. Oh, he's... This is so much fun. Well, he was. Now he's on his mouth. It's not cheating. It just helps you out, right? No, besides know how deep. Oh, there we go. Man, right when it hit the water, it just took it. Oh, that was...
Is he still on?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, when they're on, they're kind of on this thing. Man, he's not very big, but man, right when it landed, it just whapped it. Oh, now we saw the boat. Now he's going away. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Captain to yourself. Because if you accidentally drop that, that would be bad. Or I should say, if I accidentally drop it. I thought he's hooked on there twice.
There we go. There you go. Go for it. Oop. Got him? There you go.
You go pretty slow.
There it is. That looks a little better one.
He's fighting good.
Yeah, let him fight. Alright, reel him in and you can get him up.
Come
All right.
on.
He's got some lead on. Oh yeah, he's